What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So here we have ASAP Champions noong October 8, 2023, last Sunday. Ito yung pinaka latest nila na performance sa ASAP. So I can't wait to react to this. Please follow nyo ako sa Facebook, David Lanyas, because I do post videos there as well, and on Instagram for updates, realdavid_29. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Oh, Ella. Nice. Ooh, nice. Ooh, galing nun. Sheena. Fana. Galing din. Hahaha. Very theatrical talaga tong si nakalimutan ko pangalan niya eh. Lagi ko siya nakikita sa Instagram. Ooh, beautiful harmony. Lara ba? 'Di ba Lara yung pangalan? Ooh. 'Di ba Lara yung pangalan niya? Nakalimutan ko yung apelyido niya. Lagi ko kasi siyang nakikita sa Instagram. I actually followed her on Instagram because of her singing, kasi lagi siyang nagpo-post ng mga videos na parang nag-theater, 'di ba siya, Broadway. And I'm really impressed with her vocals kasi ang galing talaga niya sa genre na 'yan. Oh, Mr. Jed Madela, let's go. Galing naman nun. Haha. Galing ah. Galing nung delivery, man. Galing talaga. Samang hubat? Jason D. What a trio. Galing. Idol to si Sam, man. Taas. Galing ni Jason Dave. Bro. 2 words, beautiful and powerful. Woo! I love this trio. Nung una, para napansin ko na ganito yung pairing sa trio, no? 2 divas at saka isang theater or Broadway singer, no? Ito naman, 2 magagaling sa pop, no? Pop, tas matataas yung range, mga pop R&B, tapos nilagay nila si Jed Madela, which is also who is also known for his operatic na Broadway voice din, no? Ang taas ng boses ni Jed, no? Lalo na yung kabataan pa talaga niya, very very mataas talaga ng boses nito, and I love this pairing. Who's next? Oh, Clarice de Guzman. Very underrated to eh. Nakita ko si Mariel sa likod. Oh, si Mariel nga. Ann Raniel. Ooh. Idol ko to. Eto. Ooh, beautiful. Nice one, Mariel. Galing din niya talaga sa mga solo, no? I love this. Galing ni ano? Galing. Grabe. Oy, akin ka na lang yung susunod, oh. Anyway, before tayo pumunta sa Akin Ka Na Lang, I love this trio as well. Actually, idol ko si Ann Raniel sa Idol Philippines pa lang, man. Naka-follow na ako sa kanya. And she also followed me on Instagram nung time na yon na she was still on the show, yung patuloy pa yung show ng Idol Philippines, no. Nag-react ako sa niya like 3-4 times, and siya talaga yung dark horse ko eh. Siya yung dark horse ko sa Idol Philippines, no. Siya yung feeling ko talaga na pwede talaga, kasi doon si Kimo, sino pa, basta marami dong parang sikat, no. And I really thought that she's the dark horse during that season. And ito naman si Mariel, it's really refreshing din to see na hindi sila magkasama ni JM, although we really wanted the kilig factor na dala ng J-Mill, no. But I'm happy for Mariel na binibigyan din siya ng opportunity to be with other artists, no, outside sa J-Mill na tambalan. And eto namang si Clarice, kitang-kita yung experience and maturity, no. Talagang she's talagang andun siya. Her presence can really be felt, no. Ganun yung vibe ni Clarice. And up until now, I would say na underrated artist pa rin siya. But pero nakikita na naman natin na na-acknowledge na siya more than before. So that's a wonderful thing. Andito ba si Morissette? Ay, walang Morissette. Sherin Reyes. Mara. Okay.
Ikaw sa akin ay mahalaga. Ako sa'yo'y
ano ang pangalan niya? Nakalimutan ko eh. Buong-buo yung boses. Parang bagong gising lang ah. Bridge ata to. Walang kupas. Nakalimutan ko din pangalan nito. Grabe si Miss Sherin. Okay, eto, I have to be very honest. Okay. They try their best. Pero talaga very strong talaga yung boses ni Miss Sherin, no? And I would say na kung siya lang siguro yung kumanta, no, not the trio, I think she would have given it more she would sound better, no, kung siya lang. But the problem is Akin Ka Na Lang is really a challenging song. Like challenging talaga. And dahil sa performance na to, talaga we can confirm how powerful Mori's vocals, no? Talaga mako-confirm natin na ganun pala ka-powerful talaga at bigat ng vocals ni Morissette, no? And kasi hindi lahat no? Hindi talaga lahat pwedeng kumanta ng Akin Ka Na Lang, no? So this performance actually prove that. Okay? So I think naman na they tried their best, no? But it's not the best song for this trio. Alam ko powerful yung mga boses nila individually, but the problem is they have to compromise that kasi nasa trio sila, and yung nangibabaw sa akin na boses kay Miss Shireen, no? I'm just being honest. Yun yung naramdaman ko. Would you agree or nag-disagree ba kayo sa akin? Just let me know in the comment section. Pwede naman tayong mag-share ng opinion eh. Oh, Miss Jonalyn.
Nagmula sa'yo, sa iyong ganda, ang puso'y di mahalin mo. Tuwing kapiling ka, tanging nadarama ang pagsilip ng bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nitong pag-ibig, sana ay di na mag-iba. Ang pangarap ko, ang iyong
Okay. Di ba? Ito yung si Sheena.
ngayong nagmamahal ka sa'kin ng tunay, at ang tinig mo'y
Oh, like ka? Nice.
paligaya sa ubing na
Ah,
ang sarap nito.
maganda tong si Sheena actually. Mukha siyang hindi Filipina.
Sinabi mo,
Queen Laika.
dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo.
Oh, beautiful harmony.
Dadalhin hanggang langit ay manibago. Ang lahat na ito'y pinangako.
Basic.
Dadalhin lang pala ng hangin ang pangarap ko. Umiiyak ang puso ko.
Ooh. I love that. Let's go, Sheena.
Dadalhin kita sa aking palasyo. Dadalhin hanggang langit.
Gabi, may nangibabaw na isang vocals.
Lahat ng ito'y pinangako mo.
Ah, kay Miss Jonalyn ata yun eh. Tas si Jed pala talaga yung nauna, no? May nauna ng konti ah. Lakas ng volume kasi ng mic. Woo! Okay. Okay. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. I would go with Anne Raniel's Mariel and Miss Clarice de Guzman. And second would be nung kina Miss Jonalyn Veray. And sa mga lalaki naman, doon ako kila Sam. Okay, Sam ang hubat. Parang sila lang ata kasi yung lalaki, di ba? Ay, sila lang ata talaga. Anyway, I love the trio pairing. So yung pag groupings pala, yung trio groupings na ginawa nila. Ewan ko lang kung ako lang but this is the first time siguro na nakita ko sila na ganun ka-mix, no? Kasi most of the time nilalagay talaga ganito. Hinahana yan per level, 'di ba? Morissette, Jonalyn, Katrina, ganun, 'di ba? Clarice. Sino pa? Marami, no? Per level or per batch siguro, no? But this one is more of like experimental para sa akin, no? And the song choices were also very interesting din dito sa lalo yung Akin Ka Na Lang, no? I think yung Akin Ka Na Lang was not the best song dito sa segment na to. But regardless, they did all their best, no, to give us a wonderful performance. And I would say, magaling at maganda. So, ASAP also gives a different, performance feels, no. Kumpara naman natin doon sa, if we compare it to GMA's Queendom, no, iba din yung hatid nila sa Atin na Saya. So I love it when these two networks have distinct or trademark, no, sa performances, sa song arrangements, and sa vocals. And I love that, no. Walang may competition but very healthy naman, no. Yung fans lang naman talaga yung medyo nagiging toxic most of the time. And also, if you want to see my vlog, no, to watch my vlog, kasi nag-interview ako sa public 15 female singers na sa tingin ko ay magagaling at based na rin sa mga comments doon sa pinost ko last week na sinong mga singers na female ang sa tingin nyo ay top ngayon. So it was supposed to be 10 but naging 15 siya kasi sobrang dami. So ginawa kong 15 and nag-interview ako at pinarate ko sa public 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest. So if you guys want to watch that, I will put that out on Friday or this weekend, okay? Kasi ini-edit ko pa siya para mas masaya yung vlog natin. So yeah, so abangan nyo sa aking Facebook, okay? David Lanyas, punta kayo doon. Anyway, that was a beautiful performance and yeah, hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love, stay safe, and God bless you all. Peace.